Okay, welcome guys, and here you can see this normal artboard, and this is illustrator, and I'm going to use this illustration as an abstract artwork. So I'm doing here an abstract artwork, just experimenting with my free mind. Here I'm scribble a try to scribble something like this, and here you can see this is brush strokes, nice brush strokes. Okay, so you can easily create this kind of brush, or you can buy this brush from the description below. If you want to buy this brush, first of all mail us, so we can provide this brush. Okay, so let's start this illustration. So here you can see it's an abstract artwork, so scribbling around, and I'm trying to plan the what I can do with this, because abstract art is a spontaneous effect of the brain. Okay, brain should be free from everything. So the first of everything, do first scribble in a paper, dawdling, and try to do something unique from others. So here in this illustrations, I'm going to add this basically abstract illustrations. I'm basically want to draw something, some pattern art. So you can do something like this, a circle, and so like this a river. So here I need to set this brush to accurate, so hit OK. Now here you can see this is the brush strokes, and you can see this is a river type of water effect. You can easily create something like this. Now I want to draw something another things with the help of this brush and some effect, and so this kind of abstract art, let's see, and the white background, if you want to make a poster design or anything, is a big size of abstract artwork. Okay, so it's look some funny. So I'm just removing all of this things. I'm just working with this kind of things. You can work with this kind of things, and lots of things. I'm just work with the pen tool, and here you can see the rectangle tool also. Here you can make grids over here, and most effective things, do most effective abstract artwork. So eyes should be the hover around this canvas, the first reason of abstract art, and first criteria abstract art. So I'm going to increase the brush stroke size, so I'm put it over here. So see the effect. Now just you can make sure something else, this reflect. You can reflect and control DDD, so copy and up. So I'm not doing this. I'm not going to do this. I'm just showing you the probability, what you can do with Illustrator, what you can do with your brain, with your mind. So abstract art is a spontaneous effect of the brain, spontaneous effect of your mind. So here I'm using the blending tool. So this is a nice effect, you can see. So I'm not happy with this effect. I'm just playing with this effect and try to make another things. I'm just removing these things and going to do this. Just let's say just I'm going to do remove the circle, but before this I just want to make some effective things. So 2D type of effect, I'm just removing this one, this not necessary. Remove this, delete this one, and see, this is the circle. If you put this circle over here, you can see this circle is just going out of this thing, this kind of thing. This C, if you round this thing, you can see this kind of thing, and just hit the corner and see what I want to do here. So just remove this thing, and you can easily see this. If anyone walk through this 2D type of or 3D type of illustration, so you can easily see the path and the upper ceiling area. Okay, I'm just removing. When I removing, if you put somebody here, if you put somebody here, now you can see this is if the silhouette, I'm putting it here, and easily you can see this man is walking through this area. So it's a art idea. So now I need to draw this pattern upside down one here. So just copy these things and see, this is I'm just round this things, rotated this things, and just another rotation, just copy paste it over here. So here it is done. Now you can see and selecting all of these things, you can play with this brush effect and see this brush effect over here. So thank you very much. I'm just removing this thing and just showing you the main abstract art idea. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and if you really learn from this video, please like. Thank you.